What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Shane? Quick demo for your flagship. I had done this once before, but you had me take everything out and put brand new parts in because the last time I'd done it, it was with the used parts, right? So, as you know, everything's redone. You've got your stock V3 MPXLs in there with the holder, and then you've got the lens cap in there, as you can see. Kept the two buttons set up, so these are the original switches. Then when you open it up, you get a brand new Proffie kill switch, removable battery. You did request that the battery stay in here extra well because you like to duel with this. So I made the battery compartment smaller than I usually do. I had to snap some of the springs off with just with my snips. So you want to be really careful. You want to press up against the springs when you're snapping this battery in, just like that, and then it will stay in there. It is nice and tight. It's not going anywhere on you. Then we'll come over here and flip the kill key or the kill switch. You've got a brand new 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Darkside in here. So your LEDs are firing up. Auxiliary. We'll throw a blade in. Fire this guy up so you can see that everything's working like it should.
One of the Star Destroyers, it's headed right for me. I gotta get out of here.
So obviously same font package that you had on your last one, and then this has the 5.9 config that you emailed me. Battle mode, so you pull away from it, just like that. We're not going to go through every sound font. I'm just showing you that it works. And then we'll take the blade out and then go through taking the battery out, which more than likely you'll need a tool. I'm using the back of my tweezers. I'll turn that on. Flip the kill key so you can see kills power like it should, right? And then I'm using the back of my tweezers. I'll have to come over here from the positive side and pop the battery out just like that. But yeah, that is your flagship. Also, before I sign off this video, I was able to salvage all your parts. So I took out the chassis. I was able to take the chassis. I'll throw that away, actually. It's just a piece of wire. I was able to take the chassis out without breaking it. So you have that. It's a full chassis. It's got your speaker and your kill switch in it. Your other V3 MPXL. And then also your Proffie board. So I'll be sending all these back with your saber as well. Let me know if you got any questions. All right. Thanks.